Hello, my friend. I know I said at the end of my part 2, can we put an Oreo in resin video, that the next video would be my Mew cookie, but I've got one more experiment I would like to try. These are a little dark, and you can't really tell what they say. So I'm going to coat the sides in this lilac pearl powder and crushed crystal, and we will see if it helps lighten the image a bit so we can see our beautiful Mew in the cookie. All right, we're going to do the process, and then I will see you on the other side. Okay, we are a little bit more than 24 hours, about, I would say 36 hours from the start of this experiment, and I can already tell you that I love the results. So first I mixed a complete ounce of resin, half of the ounce in each of the slots. Then once I let that harden for about 5 hours, I came back into it, dusted one side of each of the Oreos, one with the crystal and one with the lilac, and then I put some resin on top of that side and then put some around it as I placed it into the slots. Then I waited another 6 hours before doing the top part of the cookie with the similar dusting, the crystal or the lilac, and put another ½ ounce of resin on each. So we're gonna see how it turned out. I am very excited, mostly about this lilac one, but we're gonna save it for last. We'll take out the crushed crystal. Fantastic! That is exactly what I want. Now, the crushed crystal is more like a glitter. So it's hard to see it in the camera, but it does lighten up the details enough to read them, but it wasn't actually what I was going for. Oh, so cool. Look at it. It's floating and everything. It's perfect. Okay. Now for the lilac. See, now even in the video, that's crystal clear. It's clearly an Oreo cookie. And it is floating. This one came a little bit off to the side, so it's not, right in the center, but it's still floating in the center of the mixture, and that is the most important part. Here's this side with the bulk of the color. So cool. I am definitely ready to do my Mew cookie. That video will come out in a few days. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope you have a magical day.